Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to discuss all about the Begum Nusrat Bhutto Women University Sakkar and its admissions. The Begum Nusrat Bhutto Women University is the first female university in Sindh with the sole objective to inspire, facilitate and empower the women of Pakistan. The Begum Nusrat Bhutto Women University is open for admissions in 16 programs now, 14 undergraduate programs and 2 graduate programs, including B.Ed Hons 4 years, B.S. English 4 years, B.S. Islamic Studies 4 years, B.S. Chemistry 4 years, B.S. Biotechnology 4 years, B.S. Mathematics 4 years, B.S. Statistics 4 years, B.S. Management and Technology 4 years, B.S. Physics 4 years, B.S. Artificial Intelligence 4 years, B.S. Computer Science 4 years, BBA with major in Finance, Marketing, HRM, Women Entrepreneurship and Leadership 4 years, Doctor of Physiotherapy 5 years, B.Ed 2.5 years, MS Education 2 years, MBA Business Category 2 years. Eligibility criteria for undergraduate programs: general programs, minimum 50% marks in intermediate or A levels. For DPT, 60% marks in intermediate or A levels with biology. Maximum age limit for any undergraduate degree program is 35 years. For graduate programs, MS Education, 60% marks or 2.5 CGPA in bachelor's education discipline. For MBA, 60% marks or 2.5 CGPA in bachelor's in BBA, BCom, BS MS, BS Accounting and Finance, BS Economics. For B.Ed, 50% marks in BA, BSc, BCom or any equivalent degree. Result awaiting students can also apply. Now let's discuss the test difficulty level and test pattern. The test difficulty level will be based on intermediate curriculum and the test will be divided into 5 sections. First section, general knowledge. Second section, English. Third section, general math. Fourth section, analytical and quantitative reasoning. 5 section, physics or basic accounting or computer science or chemistry or English literature or biology or English grammar and reading comprehension. Each section will contain 20 questions. Physics section is compulsory for candidates applying for BS Mathematics and BS Physics. English literature, English grammar and reading comprehension are compulsory for candidates applying for BS English or BS English TESOL. Biology section is compulsory for candidates applying for DPT, biotechnology and BS genetics. Rest may choose any of the given questions in section 5. Each correct answer will carry 1 mark in the aptitude test. There will be no negative marking. The passing percentage of the aptitude test is 50%. The merit list of the candidates will be prepared by adding 15% marks of matriculum, 10% marks of intermediate, 60% marks of aptitude test and 15% marks of interview. The test for BA 2.5 years will be based on the difficulty level of graduation 14 years degree. Test will be based on 5 sections. Section 1, General Knowledge. Section 2, English. Section 3, General Math. Section 4, Analytical and Quantitative Reasoning. Section 5, General Education. Each section will contain 20 questions. The passing percentage of the aptitude test is 50%. The merit list of the candidates will be prepared by adding 10% marks of intermediate, 15% marks of bachelor's, 14 years education, 60% marks of aptitude test, 15% marks of interview. Last date to apply for the test is Tuesday, 6 August 2024 and the test date will be Saturday, 17th August 2024 and the test venue will be the Begum Nusrat Bhutto Women University, Rodi Bypass, Sakkar. To apply, you can visit apply.bnbwu.edu.pk. For any queries, you can call on 092 071 202. For WhatsApp contact, you can contact on 092 333 72 30834 or 092 312 3355 300 or 092 300 8899 or you can email at admissions@bnbwu.edu.pk.